Hey guys, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and look for the new videos coming out. Enjoy the video.
Look, if you had one shot, one opportunity, to seize everything you ever wanted.
What's going on, everybody? We are in the car. We are headed to a local pond that I haven't been to in a couple months. It's starting to drizzle. Hopefully the rain doesn't come down on us. If it does, I'll have to get the waterproof case out so I can fish. But we're on our way. Maybe we'll catch some bass. Stay tuned. So we are at our location, and we're gonna throw some jigs around, some swim baits, maybe top water popper, crankbait, see what we can get. A little breezy, a little over clouds, might start drizzling, but enough talking, more fishing. Gonna start off with the jig and go from there. You guys can message me. This is the homemade frog trailer in purple on the Strike King black and blue jig. That's what you guys always see me throwing. So I'm catching all my fish on in my videos. What's up, Duck? What you want from me? Some bread? I ain't got no bread for you. What do you want, Doc? What is it? What do you want, man? What do you want? What do you want? I ain't got no bread for you. Look at this duck. It's crazy. What's up, man? Think this is? Think this is the family zoo? I ain't got no bread for you, dog. Where the bass at? Know where they at? Ain't. You just want to come up here, huh? That's all you want. You want to come up here. So no go, my friend. I'm over here. There's plenty of spots everywhere else, man. America's best duck dance. That duck thinks my shit is food. Look at him. He was chasing it around. It's crazy. Starting to rain. I'll let you have the spot. You want to come up here? Go ahead. That's what you want? You gonna come right up here. You gonna come right up. Yep, he wants to eat some fresh grass. Hungry. Seen that shit. That's crazy. But I'm trying to fish over here, dude. You know what I mean? I ain't got time for Duck Dynasty. Where'd you go, bro? I just had a bite. I don't know what it was. It ain't... Oh my God, he's following me around. I moved out of your territory and you came over here? Look at this duck. What's up, bro? This duck's gonna walk next to me. Look at this duck. Oh my God, this duck's following me around. Look at this. Look at this duck. I moved. Dude, I moved 50 yards. What's your problem? What do you want from me, man? Look at this guy. What? Look at this. He's following me around. What's up, man? I can't believe this duck. I'm fishing, bro. I'm not feeding the birds. You were all... What's up, bro? I'm just fishing, dude. This bird is funny as hell. All the way down there. Quit following me around. I want to keep bothering me. Go ahead. Well, guys, at this point, this bird wouldn't leave me alone. He kept following me around no matter where I went. If I backed up from the bank a little bit, he would come stand in front of me looking for some grub, looking at me. No matter what, he was tracking me down. And so I went from fishing to look at this bird that won't leave me alone. So that's what we got. Hope you liked this video. Hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and maybe we'll get some fishing in on a different day because all these birds recently have been all up on my day. Wow. Have a good one. Come here. Bear, say hi.